Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick tacos. Let's dive right into preparing a delicious meal in under 30 minutes. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, 12 small tortillas, and your favorite toppings. A little pre-planning goes a long way in saving time. Having everything chopped and measured beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple step sets you up for taco success. Now, let's get that delicious filling cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 1 pound of ground beef or turkey. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's fully browned, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess fat to keep your tacos light and flavorful. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water, simmering for a few minutes until the liquid reduces and the flavors meld beautifully. With your filling ready, it's time to prepare the tortillas and toppings. Warming your tortillas is crucial for a great taco experience. You can quickly heat them in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side, microwave them for 15 seconds, or wrap them in foil and bake for 5 minutes. Next, arrange your favorite toppings in small bowls. Think about fresh shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, creamy sour cream, and a sprinkle of shredded cheese. These choices allow everyone to build their perfect taco. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, assembling your quick tacos. Take a warm tortilla and spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the seasoned meat filling into the center. Now, it's time to get creative with your toppings. Pile on that crisp lettuce, a spoonful of diced tomatoes, a dollop of sour cream, and a sprinkle of cheese. You can also add salsa or guacamole for extra flavor. Serve these delicious, homemade tacos immediately and enjoy your speedy, satisfying meal. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.